Estamos en las nubes. We are in the clouds, about to hike up Volcano, Matopec. I'm so excited. 2 hour hike up, 2 hour hike down, up a volcano. Hormigas. Roca con hierro.
Mineral. Azufre. Azufre. Ashes.
Ashes. Guys, we are literally at the top of the volcano, looking down at an active volcanic crater. The sulfur is literally still bubbling. Like, I'm just really shocked and blown and amazed right now. Hola.
Hola, hola, ¿cómo está?
Bien.
Acá en el volcán. Santa Ana, Villa Matepec, le vendo rica y sabrosa paletas ahorita la saborcita, ya que desde hace 14 años este es mi trabajo, venderle paleta.
Finish it off, walking back to the car in the rain, but we did it. We finished the hike